can we truly understand the Quran if we don't know the original meanings of the words in Arabic? Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge of Quranic Arabic, fostering a deeper comprehension of the speech of Allah so that we can apply it in our daily lives.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to another Arabic lesson on العربية للناشئين كتاب الثاني book 2. In this lesson we are going to look at الدرس الثاني, that is lesson 2, and the topic of this lesson is تدريبات. تدريبات means exercises, and the singular form of tadribatun is tadribun, which is an exercise. So we are still on al-wahdatu al-ula, that is chapter 1. So here we have iqra. Iqra means read. So in this passage we are provided with a little dialogue between al-mudiru and at-talamidhu. Al-mudiru means the principal, while at-talamidhu means the students. So here we have dakhala al-mudiru as-saffa. This means the principal entered the class. As-saff means the class, or we can also say al-fasl. Dakhala al-mudiru as-saffa, the principal entered the class. Wa ma'ahu mudarrisun jadidun. This means wa ma'ahu, and with him, mudarrisun jadidun, a new teacher. Wa ma'ahu mudarrisun jadidun, and with him, a new teacher. Waqafa talamidhu, this means the students stood up. So here we have al-mudiru, the principal. So the principal begin by saying assalamu alaykum. This means may the peace be upon you. Then at-talamidhu responded by saying wa alaykumus salamu, and may the peace be upon you too. So al-mudir, the principal, he further said هذا مدرس اللغة العربية الجديد. This means this is the Arabic language new teacher. Ismuhu Hasanun. His name is Hasanun. وهو سعودي, and he is a Saudi. Assuming you want to say and he is a Nigerian, so we are going to say وهو نيجيري, and he is a Nigerian. Or we can also say وهو أمريكي, and he is an American, and so on. جاء من السعودية. This means he came from the Saudi. وهو مدرس جيد, and he is a good teacher. So جيد means good. وهو مدرس جيد, and he is a good teacher. خرج المدير من الصف. This means the principal left the class, or you can say the principal came out from the class. وجلس التلاميذ على الكراسي, and the students sat on the chairs. So al-karasiyu means the chairs, and the singular form of al-karasi is al-kursiyu, which means the chair. وجلس التلاميذ على الكراسي, and the students sat on the chairs. قال المدرس, the teacher said, that is the new teacher. اللغة العربية أربع حصص. This means the Arabic language is 4 periods. So hisasun means periods, and the singular form of hisas is hissatun, that is a period. اللغة العربية أربع حصص. The Arabic language is 4 periods. في الأسبوع, in the week. وحصة اليوم قراءة. This means, and today's period is قراءة, that is reading. وحصة اليوم قراءة, and today's period is reading. So this is the end of the little dialogue that was between Al-Mudir, the principal, and At-Talamidhu, the students. So now let's quickly look at some of the exercises that are below this dialogue. So the first one, Here we have an instruction that says أكمل الجمل الآتية. This means complete the following sentences بالكلمة المناسبة, with the suitable word. So here we are provided with some incomplete sentences which we are going to use the below words to complete them. So the first one, here we have دخل المدير. This means the principal entered. So if you could remember, the principal entered the class. So in that case, we are going to say دخل المدير الصف. The principal entered the class. Number two, we have حسن dash جديد. So here the most suitable one is مدرس. حسن مدرس جديد. Hassan is a new teacher. So number three, we have حسن جاء من السعودية. Hassan came from the Saudi. Number four, we have جلس dash على الكراسي. So here we are going to say جلس التلاميذ على الكراسي. The students sat on the chairs. So the last one we have اللغة العربية 4 حصص في الأسبوع. اللغة العربية 4 حصص في الأسبوع. The Arabic language is 4 periods in the week. So this is the end of the first exercise. So now the next one, here we have an instruction that says Ajib. Ajib means answer. So here we are also provided with questions that are relating to the previous passage. So number one, we have Aina dakhala al-mudiru. This means, where did the principal enter? So here we are going to say dakhala al-mudiru as-saffa. The principal entered the class. But we have ماذا فعل التلاميذ. What did the student do? That is, what did the student do when the principal entered the class? So here, if you could remember, the student stood up. So in that case, you are going to say وقف التلاميذ. The students stood up. Number three, you have ما اسم مدرس اللغة العربية الجديد. This means, what is the name of the new Arabic language teacher? So the name was Hassan. So you are going to say اسم مدرس اللغة العربية الجديد حسن. The name of the new Arabic language teacher is Hassan. ما جنسيته. What is his nationality? جنسيته السعودية. His nationality is Saudi. So this is how you are going to complete this exercise. So now let's quickly move on to the next one. And here we have an instruction that says sil بين الكلمات المضادة في المعنى. This means connect between the words that are opposite in meaning. So here we are provided with some words in group Alif and some other words in group Ba. So we are going to connect between the words in group Alif with the ones that are opposite in meaning to them from group Ba. So the first word we have is waqafa. So the opposite in meaning to waqafa is jalasa. Waqafa, that is, he stood, then jalasa, he sat. Number two, we have dakhala, he entered, then kharaja, he came out. Mutaakhirun, he is late. Mubakkirun, he is early. Ta'ala, come. Idhab, go. Dhahaba, he went. Ja'a, he came. So this is how to do this exercise. So quickly, let's move on to the last exercise of this lesson. And here we have an instruction that says istabdil. Istabdil means exchange. Ma'a taghyiri, with changing. Ma yalzamu, what is required. Kama fil mithalaini, according to the two examples. So here we have هذا مدرس اللغة العربية الجديد. This means this is the Arabic language new teacher. So below it we also have هذا مدرس اللغة العربية الجديد. This is the new Arabic language teacher. So example 1, المثال الأول, we have a new word which is مدرسة, meaning the female teacher. So here we're going to exchange mudarrisun with the new word mudarrisatun. So in that case, you're going to say هذه مدرسة اللغة العربية الجديدة. This means this is the new Arabic language teacher, that is the female teacher. So example 2, we have al-Injiliziyya, that is the English. So meaning here we are going to exchange the Arabic with the English. Now you are going to say هذه مدرسة اللغة الإنجليزية الجديدة. This is the English language new teacher. So that is the example. In the exercise, number 1, we have the word ustadu, that is a teacher. So meaning here we are going to exchange ustad with mudarrisa. So now we are going to say هذا أستاذ اللغة الإنجليزية الجديد. This means this is the new English language teacher. Number 2, we have al-Faransiyya, that is the French. So here we are going to exchange al-Faransiyya with al-Injiliziyya. Now we are going to say هذا أستاذ اللغة الفرنسية الجديد. This means this is the new French language teacher. So this is how we are going to complete this exercise. So with this, we've come to the end of the exercises below this dialogue and also the end of today's lesson. We hope we enjoyed the lesson. See you in our next lesson. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء.